Hi, this is Abram KJ at Words on the Word. Thanks for checking out this video review of PDF Expert by Readdle. Here's what it looks like on the iPhone 5C. You open up the app and you get a view of your documents. The primary way that I've been using this app is in sync with a couple different cloud services. So the third icon from the left on the bottom there will let you add different accounts. You can see all the options here for ways that you can sync documents to PDF Expert. Here's Dropbox, which I've got set up. Here's a folder called PDFs for iPad, and we're going to be looking today at a document called Learning from Life, Turning Life's Lessons into Leadership Experience. This is put out by Center for Creative Leadership, and you can see the link below. The thing I appreciate the most about this app is the option for continuous vertical scrolling, which is what feels most natural to me. You can change that to horizontal scrolling, but that's a nice benefit. A single tap on the iPhone brings options either into view or out of view. You might just want to scroll and read, or if you do a single tap, you'll notice some options for highlighting, taking notes, drawing, and undoing any annotations. You might want to just highlight this way on your document, which you can do. There's a simple undo button to undo any of those markings. Check the green check mark to go back to other annotated options. Here's some highlighting that you can do. If you accidentally highlight, it's easy to clear your highlight or to change colors. You can also underline, and there are a couple different ways to take notes. You could do a little thought bubble, and here is a note. Tap done, and then it kind of pops up whenever you're reading through. I find that a little bit cumbersome. You might prefer the typewriter style, where you can actually type a note into the document much as you would using Preview on a Mac. You can see your note now as you scroll up and down. I found the sync options leaving a little bit to be desired. If you want to stay in sync with Dropbox, you have to actually do that from the folder view. So when I go to this PDFs for iPad folder that's in my Dropbox, I have to tap on Edit, and then at the bottom there I can sync it two ways. Now you only have to set that up once. So now any changes that I make on the iPhone sync to Dropbox if I open the document through Dropbox on a computer or elsewhere. Another advantage to PDF Expert is that if you buy the iPhone app, you get it on the iPad and vice versa. So once you've got that sync system set up, you can actually sync between iPhone, iPad, and computer, which is pretty nice. You might want to set up a dedicated folder just to make syncing easier. Once you do this, you won't have to do it again. Here's a look at some of the settings. You can highlight links that come up in your PDF. You can scroll pages horizontally or vertically. There's a whole host of file manager settings, file contents search. I'll get to that in just a minute. You can change your sync settings, which is good for avoiding having PDF Expert use cellular data. I want to show you the search function here, which is actually pretty sophisticated. You go to the document, and if you tap the magnifying glass, let's say I want to search the document for management, then you get all the options that appear almost instantaneously. Here's something about mastering management, and there it is highlighted on page 30 or page 32 of the PDF. And you can navigate the search results using these arrows and go through every time a certain word appears. This little icon here gets you back again to the results list. All in all, I would say this is an excellent app for reading and marking up and syncing PDFs. Again, there is the drawback of the sync setup being a little more complicated than I think it needs to be. It's a little more automatic in an app like iAnnotate, but this app is otherwise pretty much flawless and an excellent go-to for making your way through PDFs. You can check out the link below for more, and thanks to the folks at Readdle who offered me the app gratis for the chance to review it. Of course, there was not any expectation as to the content of my review.